What's up guys? You ready to draw beautiful kawaii winter fashion? This is my favorite. Okay, get your pencil, color pencil, and a paper and eraser. Let's start. Alright, so let's start drawing guidelines. So her face slightly tilted, looking down. She's looking her beautiful skirt. Okay, and then her face is going to be just looking forward. So it's not going to be that difficult. Alright, so once you finish this, we're going to start drawing her face. And if you want to draw more different facial expressions and various hairstyles, please check out my first book, How to Draw Kawaii Manga Characters. Okay? Alright, so let's start. So she got a soft smile. Her eyebrows go like that. And then looking down. And let's give a little heavier eyelashes. Okay, and then her eye, bottom, eyelashes. And the other side too. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. And more. Whoa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I rushed the last part here. Then I'm going to add a bubble. Maybe this time the lower. Like this. Black bubble. Black bubble. Okay. And then nose. And she got sweet smile. Like this. Then we're gonna draw her face line. Here you go, chin like this all the way up. Okay, and then we're gonna start drawing her bangs. Okay, so start like this, short hair, little long sharp one like this, and the rest of it is gonna be really flowy to side like that, and a side hair. And then let's do this one. It's a little wavy like this. Okay, and then let's give a nice round head shape. So it's a winter fashion. I mean, this is one of the favorite for sure, because layered, cozy, and fluffy, kawaii, fashion we can come up with, and even accessory too. I like adding a little fuzzy, kind of a pom-pom looking one right here. Why not, right? Then, so it's gonna be hair bun, but it's not on the top, more side, low. Go like this, and the hairline's in there. And now let's just make it a little slightly messy. Make it messy. That's the sort of like such a nice kawaii manga hair. Okay? Alright, once you finish this, neck. And the key for today's fashion here, the top part is this fluffy here, this shoulder scarf. Hey, if you like this lesson, why don't you check out my online school, Learn Manga with Misako, where I teach live kawaii manga lessons weekly. You have access to a private online community where you can post your drawing and I give you direct feedback. Also, I share behind the scenes of my bookmaking. All the details in the description below. Check it out. Scarf. Do you say that? Yeah, well, it's kind of a shoulder, right? Covered up with this scarf here. So, but you want to show just a little shoulder like this. Then from here, fluffy, almost like a clouds looking. Go like this. Here. It's like going to if you go to like a concert or some like nice restaurant, especially like maybe, I don't know, people dress up like that, right? And in winter time, holiday events too. So that's a good reason to be dressed up. Okay, and here I want to add some star. Here we go, and a little bit of bow if you can. That would be nice. Okay, then we're gonna start drawing her top. So this top is not gonna be nothing special so much, because we're gonna focusing on her skirt. We don't want to make it everything special. That would be too busy. So we're gonna focus on skirt part. So this top goes in, and around the stomach, I'm going to go line goes outside a little. Then fabric wrinkle lines like this. Okay, here we go. And then once you finish this part, we're gonna draw her nice big bow in the middle. Here we go. Go like this. When you want to draw like thick fabric, sort of like a big bow, again, fabric wrinkle lines, that's gonna be a key. Okay, that's how you make it sort of like this part is a really fluffy, heavy looking. Okay, go here like this. And then let's add some lines like this. All right, okay, once you finish this part, what I want you to do is we're gonna draw this skirt, this part, kind of open umbrella here, not too long. Okay, we're gonna start drawing high, low, this skirt. So we're gonna start from a front, that's gonna be high, and the back is gonna be a low. Okay, so from middle part, what I want you to draw is like here, wave goes. Wave go 1, 2, 3, like this. Okay, then 1, 2, whoa, 3, 4, slightly go like this. Okay, then you're gonna add lines here, 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 here. See, it looks so whimsical, don't you think? I love creating this kind of fashion. Here, then we're gonna show her thigh a little, knees, and then legs. Then we're gonna do the rest of it later. So let's start drawing her thigh, knee to ankle like this. Okay, other side too. Okay, all right. Then once you finish this part, you're gonna draw rest of it. Connect the line from here, here, go like this. Here we go. Oh, pretty. And if you want to, fabric wrinkle line. And since you're showing this back fabric here, you can create beautiful patterns too. Something maybe holiday sort of a theme. That would be nice. Okay. Once you finish this, let's draw her arms and hands. But if we don't need to draw like entire fingers today, so we are lucky. I know drawing a hand is sometimes tough, so here we can just make it kind of like easy and relax. Here you go like this. This side, yeah, just thumb and maybe index finger just touching her skirt like this. So go like that. Okay, and the other side too. Whoop. Ah. Here go like this. Okay, and then thumb, index. So this part I want to erase that part. So she's holding a skirt, kind of showing off. Why not? Right? Okay. Then you're ready to draw this short boots. It's gonna be so cute. Go here, right? And then this part is just sort of pointy raindrop looking like this. And let's add some kind of patterns here too. Go like this, right? This part, sort of like a sideway, slightly go here, 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 right? And then let's do patterns like this. Here, go like this. So heel goes like really short, because you know why? That part is here. You're gonna add a heel like this. That's why. And then let's add fabric wrinkle lines a little bit too. Okay, well, this is gonna be so pretty. And I wanna sort of like, yeah, let me erase this pencil lines and let's add some Japanese too in the end. All right. Okay, here we go. This part. Here we go. Here we go. In in Japan, like let's say this holiday season, like a Christmas time, we thought, I think a lot of people still think in America, like American families, they eat fried chickens. That's what we thought. So during the holiday season, my life until I moved to America, yeah, like American kids and just family, everybody eats like a holiday big fried chickens and then biscuits. But it was not. So that was a nice culture lesson, I guess. But she is going to this holiday party. And let's say, ooh, like a holiday party dress in Japanese. Oh no, winter party dress in Japanese. We say 冬のパーティードレス. Oh, that's cute. I like that sound. So we're gonna draw in the back, okay? All right. 冬 means winter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Who? Oh, you. I love that word. 冬の means winter. Z. Okay? 冬の means winter. 冬の party dress, right? Okay. So party, we say like that. 1, 2, 3 hyphen 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. It means hold on, T. I'm trying to just, T like this. Fashion. We say fashion is fashion. 1, 2. Small word, one more, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Fashion. Here we go. Ta-da! Alright, if you want to, maybe in the end, let's add some color, shadow and light. Go like here, especially around the fabric wrinkle part. If you can add a little darker color, like a tones, dark tones, that would be nice. In the back too. See, it's much better. Or maybe around here to shadow. Why not? Alright, great job guys. I hope you are ready to join. Yes. Who you know? Party! Yay, great job. How was it guys? Did you enjoy creating high-low this beautiful skirt? I hope so. Alright, so get back to the book and start drawing.